guys, hey, I'm about to show you some clips of what I was doing when I hooked up my hair with this bentonite clay that I've been telling you guys about. It is Wednesday and I did my wash with the clay on Friday, so this is a result when I took my twist out, but I will talk to you guys about that in a minute. But before you watch this clip, please support the healthy hair community meets hair journey and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Tell your mama, your cousins, your aunties, and all of them, go subscribe to Meek's Hair Journey. All right, check this out. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do my best to film this, but from everything that I've researched, this is a pretty messy job. So yeah, this might be a review instead of a demo, but yeah, we'll see, because I don't want to get none of this stuff on my camera, but I will show you guys. Hold on. I am going to be putting vitamin E oil, and this is, you can't see that, jojoba oil, 100% pure. I'm using the Bragg's, it's a big bottle, the apple cider vinegar with mother, and I have my bentonite clay, the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. It's a cleansing clay. I have my plastic spoon, my plastic cup that I got at Walmart. I actually got a 4-pack for 88 cents, and my spoon came with the matching fork, and that was 88 cents. I have my cup here, which is also plastic, for the clay, and then I have my half a cup, which I will be adding equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. I have my spray bottle here. My spray bottle has vegetable glycerin and water from the sink, and I just shake it up. This helps keeps my hair moisturized with that in there, and that is about it. So I'm going to take that. Hey, hold on, let me make sure y'all can see me. I'm going to take all this stuff, mix it together, then I will show you guys what it looks like when it's mixed together. Then I will show you what it looks like when I'm about to wash it out, and then I will come and give you my impressions. I will be deep conditioning my hair after this. It's late, it's gonna be a long night, but it needs to get done. So my hair is sectioned in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts, because I have extremely thick hair. I mean, y'all saw that puff. It's not just, I have thick hair, so I have to like section it off into different parts and whatnot. But everything I'm using is plastic. I took my ring off because if I destroyed my wedding ring, my husband would have a conniption fit, and so would I, because I would cry and cry and cry, and yeah, we don't want that. So yeah, so I'm about to get to work, and I am watching my Netflix shows while I'm doing this process. So I'm not going to promise you guys that this will be filmed, because it's going to be messy, and this is my first time doing it. So I'm just going to give you guys my reactions and what I think. And then afterwards, if you guys are like, well, Meek, we want to see a demo, when I do it again, if I do it again, I will show you guys then. Deal? All right, healthy hair divas. See you in a minute. Okay. Don't laugh at me, because I'm laughing at myself. If you guys can't hear me over the shower in the background, I'll do a voiceover, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I still had a little bit left over, so a little goes a long way. It is very messy. You guys can't, it's all over me, like literally. Yeah. But, yeah, maybe a little, that's it. Yeah, so I'm gonna come to you guys after I attempt to get this. Okay guys, so I'm coming to you to give you my final thoughts on this technical name, Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Now, first and foremost, when I applied it to my hair, as you guys saw, I did put a little on my face, just right here, and it did break out on my face. I knew that I needed to test a little spot of it on my face because my skin is it's very sensitive and I can't just put anything on my face, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me put a little bit on my face here, and it's healing up pretty good, but like around here, I mean, it was bump city, you hear me? I was like, no. It was itching right there, and I was like, okay, so no apple cider vinegar on the face. I'm thinking that's what it was. I mean, they say you can put it on your face, and it'll get hard for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's pretty much it. It's the same process as I showed you guys what I did for my hair. It's the same way you would do it for your face. But they says for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaps, I mean, knee packs. It's for a bunch of stuff. You know, I'll pop that in so you guys can read it. You can pause it and read that. But yeah, I'm not here for it on my face. I loved it on my hair. Made my hair very, very soft. I was in shock. I did a deep condition afterwards, like a deep conditioner. No, it wasn't a deep conditioner. I'm sorry. I used, and it's probably still in the shower. It's still in the shower. I used the Aussie conditioner afterwards. Just because I know my hair is prone to having product left in it because I use a lot of oils, and from what other girls were saying when they used it, that the bentonite sticks to oil. So with that being said, this front section right here, hunty, which is where my eczema dry scalp usually is, so I usually put a high concentration of oils right here whenever I do my hair. And having never done a detox clay, I'm thinking that's why maybe the clay was like not trying to come off of my scalp. I got in and out of the shower probably about 3 times. I started the process at 11 o'clock, and no lie to you, I didn't go to bed until 4 o'clock in the morning. Ain't nobody got time for that. I mean, I felt like it was not coming out of my hair, and I'm like, God, I hope I'm not ruining my hair by putting this clay in my hair. But when it finally came out, it was generally this section right here. I literally had to take my spray bottle and keep spraying and spraying with, not with my nails, with the palms of my hands, and just rubbing it in and trying to get it to go down the shaft of my hair. Because, honey, let me tell you, pumpkin, let me tell you, it was not coming out. And I was like, okay, let me look over the footage and see what I did wrong. I did add oils to it just because, you know, that's what everybody else did. So I figured that's what I would do too. Maybe I don't add oils next time. I don't know. Maybe my water to apple cider vinegar ratio wasn't enough. I don't know. Will I do this mask again? I don't know. I mean, everything that I have read about this clay mask that I've seen out there, it's true. My hair is soft. I mean, my twists are still shiny and moisturized from Friday, and I have not had to put any more moisturizer in my hair because it's still moisturized from Friday, y'all. It's not dry at all. So with that sense, yeah, you know, maybe so. I mean, this is fresh out of the twist. I didn't like separate them or anything like that, but I mean, my only hiccup with this clay mask was that it was hard to get out of my scalp right there. So you guys tell me what you think if you've tried it. Will I recommend this to you guys? Yes, but just know that it is a messy job. Cover your counters. Cover your counter. I literally covered my counter with an old t-shirt. I had like 2 or 3 t-shirts and I covered my counter with it. And I also took an old shower curtain and put it under my chair and covered my floor with it because it's messy. Like it was all over me. As you guys, I'm pretty sure I talked about that in the clip which is why I didn't show myself applying it, because I didn't want it to get on my camera. But y'all, I have mixed emotions about this bentonite clay. I know there are other clays out there, so if you guys know of any other clay masks that you think I should try out, let me know. You know, natural hair community girls, y'all been doing this for a while. I am new to this. I didn't know, but I love what it did for my hair. But the downside, the one con was that I couldn't get it off my scalp, and it was just in this section. So I don't know, maybe I just need to go back and rethink what I did and what I can do differently next time. So a lot left over. I mean, it's like probably to like right here, and a little goes a long way with this clay. But yeah, so yeah, give it a try and tell me what you guys think. If you guys have tried this and your first time was like, ooh, and then you tried it again, you were like, oh, that's what I did wrong, let me know. Holla at your girl, let me know. But I'm gonna sign off. I'm just blabbering on and on. I do not want this video to be too long. So I will chat with you guys later. As always, please like, please subscribe. Subscribe. I cannot ask you guys enough to please subscribe to my channel. I am approximately 250 subscribers away from hitting the 1,000 mark. So I want to do a major giveaway once I hit the 1,000 marks. So I will talk to you guys about that later. We will have more talks about hitting that mark, and once I get in some more products, I will tell you guys all about that. All right, my kids are coming in now. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.